Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about an interesting character from our favorite TV series Heartland. Will Mallory return in Heartland season 15? It could be good news for all of us if she returns. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. The longest-running Canadian TV series Heartland completed 14 seasons. Since the show is the longest-running series, it is expected to witness some major changes in the script, the plotline of the series and also in the cast. But surprisingly, Heartland is blessed with a solid scenario and a stable cast for the most part, which fans love the most. When it comes to the names that left the show, only a few cast members come to mind, and Mallory is one of them. Mallory Wells, played by Jessica Amley, was one of the staples of the show for 6 straight seasons. When she left, the fans were upset, with the expectation of a comeback. In today's episode, we will be talking about the potential return of a beloved character of the show. In Heartland, Mallory was a young neighbor of the ranch. The actress who played the role was only 12 when the series started. She played the part until she was 18. Mallory was a little crazy girl who was very close to the Flemings, the owners of the Heartland Ranch. Despite spending most of her time in Heartland, Mallory was living nearby and visiting Heartland Ranch just to annoy its residents. She was raised in Alberta and moved to Nashville later on as her father decided to follow his dreams of having a career in music. Mallory also had a horse named Copper. One of her main character traits was being a very talkative person, especially when the topic revolves around gossip. She also had an active love life during her time in the series. Mallory had a first crush on Ty. However, her attraction was platonic, as Ty was regarded her as a friend. There was also a high age gap between the two of them, because of which Ty lacked interest towards Mallory. However, Ty had already developed feelings for Amy. Despite having a crush on Ty, Mallory becomes very supportive of Amy in pursuing her feelings towards Ty. In fact, she pushes Amy to be open towards Ty, which eventually ends up in a dreamy relationship between Amy and Ty that was marked by marriage and a lovely daughter. Other love interests of Mallory were Badger and Jake. Her relationship with Cowboy Jake becomes a major plotline in the series. The relationship of the two also becomes useful in initiating Amley's departure from the series in season 7 of the show. After confessing her feelings to him, Mallory and Jake decide to leave the town and move to Paris. The decision came upon Amley's desire to say goodbye to Heartland. "I needed to challenge myself in other ways," Amley said regarding her decision. Even though she was following other options as an actress, fans were not very happy with her departure. Fans are looking forward to the return of Mallory to this day. Did Mallory return to Heartland? In season 10, there was a brief hope for Mallory to take a place in the show once again, but the aspirations of the fans died pretty quickly as Mallory was present for just 2 episodes. Still, the fan-pleasing action of the producers paid off as millions welcomed the decision of seeing Amley as Mallory again, even for a brief period of time. Mallory appeared in season 13 and 14 in season 10. Those episodes focused on how Mallory had changed over the years. The triggering motivation for Mallory's return was Jake's proposal to her. She was not sure what to do with the move and cannot decide whether or not she was ready to take such a big step in her life. Thus, she made the decision to go back home, where she hoped to find more clarity. Although she tried to paint a very dreamy picture to her old friends of Heartland at first about her current life, in reality, everything was not as smooth as it seems in Paris. As Amy and others start to learn more about the reality of Mallory's new life, Jake also returns to Heartland. The two talk about their problems and eventually decide to get married. Yet, as far as it is concerned, there is always a plot twist. At the engagement ceremony, she backed off her decision to marry Jake and decided to move to London. Surprisingly, as they remained apart, the two realized how much they care for each other and came together once again. Mallory and Jake got married at the Heartland Ranch alongside their old friends. So will Mallory return in Heartland Season 15? After their heartwarming wedding, we do not hear anything from Mallory and Jake. Fans' demand for the return of Mallory is strong as ever. Each year, the audience welcomes the new season of Heartland with the hope of Mallory's return. The latest of those hopes failed this year, as season 14 of the series premiered. However, now all eyes are on season 15 of Heartland. Yet the producers of the show are still yet to make a statement on such expectations regarding Mallory's return. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you are looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.